let's see one problem in the analysis of frames without sway using slope deflection method. So this is our question. Analyze the frame shown in figure by slope deflection method and draw the bending moment diagram. So you have a frame ABCD എന്ന് പറയുന്ന frame. ഇതൊരു sway ഉള്ള frame ആണ്, sway ഇല്ലാത്ത frame ആണോ എന്ന് ചോദിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, even if it is not given in the question, we need to know, because you can see the symmetry about the vertical axis, load symmetry കാണാം. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഇതൊരു sway ഇല്ലാത്ത frame ആണ്. ഇവിടെ ആക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന ലോഡ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 40 kilonewton per meter UDL throughout the span BC. Also note that the flexural rigidity value is different for span BC. നമുക്കിവിടെ 3 members ഉണ്ട്, AB, BC and CD. So we will be having 3 slope deflection equations also. Sorry, 6 slope deflection equations: MAB, MBA, MBC, MCB, MCD and MDC. So first of all, our fixed end moment calculation is to be done. Here MFAB and MFBA will be 0 as there is no load on the member, and MFBC is equal to minus WL square by 12 and MFCB is equal to WL square by 12. MFCD and MFDC will be 0 as there is no load. So MFAB, MFBC, MFDC, MFCD, ഈ values ഒക്കെ 0 ആണ്. Now MFBC is equal to WL square by 12 minus 40 into 6 square by 12 minus 120 kilonewton meter, and MFCB is equal to 120 kilonewton meter. So now we can write the slope deflection equations for all the members. So MAB is equal to MFAB plus 2EI by length of AB into 2 theta A plus theta B minus delta, as delta minus 0, as delta term is 0. നമുക്ക് sway ഇല്ലാത്തത് കൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് delta term 0 ആണ്, and here MFAB is also 0. Finally MAB is equal to 0.5 EI theta B, and also note that the theta A slope or rotation at A is equal to 0, as A is a fixed end. Next is MBA. MBA is equal to MFBA plus 2EI by length of BA into theta A plus 2 theta B minus 0, as delta term is 0. And here we know that theta A, again theta A is equal to 0 as it is a fixed end. അപ്പോൾ MBA is equal to EI theta B. ഇനി അടുത്തത് MBC. MBC is equal to MFBC plus 2E into 2I, as flexural rigidity is 2EI by span of BC is 6 into 2 theta B plus theta C minus 0, delta term is 0, and theta B and theta C നമുക്ക് 0 അല്ല, so അതുപോലെ തന്നെ വെക്കുക. So MBC equation is minus 120 plus 4 by 3 EI theta B plus 2 by 3 EI theta C. And similarly we can write the equation for MCB. MCB is equal to MFCB plus 2E into 2I divided by 6, length of CB is 6, theta B plus 2 theta C is equal to minus 0, delta term is 0. Finally the equation for MCB is 120 plus 2 by 3 EI theta B plus 4 by 3 EI theta C. Now the equation for CD and DC. MCD is equal to MFCD, that is 0, plus 2EI by length of CD is 4 into 2 theta C plus theta D minus delta term is 0, so minus 0. And here we know that theta D is equal to 0. Theta D എന്താണ്? അതൊരു fixed end ആണ്. So theta D is equal to 0. So MCD is equal to EI theta C, and MDC is equal to MFDC plus 2EI by length of DC into theta C plus 2 theta d minus 0, and here also delta is 0, theta d is 0, so mdz is equal to 0.5 ei theta c. Okay, so now the equilibrium equations are moment about B is equal to 0 and moment about C is equal to 0. ഈ രണ്ട് equilibrium equations ആണ് നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുക. So moment about B എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ MBA plus MBC is equal to 0 എന്ന് വരും. And moment about C is equal to 0 എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ MCB plus MCD is equal to 0 എന്ന് വരും. So MBA plus MBC is equal to 0 implies add the equations corresponding to MBA and MBC and equate it with 0, and here we will be getting an equation with the two unknowns ei theta b and ei theta c. And moment about C is equal to 0 gives MCB plus MCD is equal to 0. MCB in equation MCD in equation kuda add cheya, and finally we are getting at another equation with two unknowns ei theta b and ei theta c. Now we have two equations with the two unknowns. You can solve it using your calculator, and finally we are getting ei theta b is equal to 72 and ei theta c is equal to minus 72. Then using these two values of ei theta b and ei theta c, we can calculate all the moments MAB, MBA, MBC, MCB, MCD and MDC. And here also we can see that MBC and MCB will be MBA and MCB will be equal and opposite. Also MCB and MCD will be equal and opposite. ഇവിടെ നമ്മുടെ സ്ട്രക്ചർ സിമെട്രിക് ആയതുകൊണ്ട് ബാക്കിയുള്ള വാല്യൂസും ഒക്കെ സിമെട്രിക് ആയിട്ട് തന്നെ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. സ്ലോപ്പ് വാല്യൂസും മൊമെന്റ് വാല്യൂസും ഒക്കെ. Now we have to draw the bending moment diagram. As usual, we have to incorporate the free moment diagram with the end moment values. And for the free moment diagram, the maximum ordinate will be W L square by 6, that is 40 into 6 square by 8, W L square by 8. So it is 180. So first of all we can draw that. For AB and for the span CD നമുക്ക് ഫ്രീ മൊമെന്റ് ഒന്നുമില്ല, സോ ഫ്രീ മൊമെന്റ് വാല്യൂസ് ഒന്നും വരക്കാനില്ല. അവിടെ എൻഡ് മൊമെന്റ് വാല്യൂസ് മാത്രം മാർക്ക് ചെയ്ത് വരക്കാം. So that is about the final bending moment diagram for the frame ABCD.